Rob, I'm curious. Obviously we're in this we're in this COVID world right now. How do you think IoT is going to affect businesses? Fortune 500 manufacturing businesses. How is IoT going to affect these types of businesses in the post COVID-19 world?
Even before the situation we are now, that we'd always envisaged was this concept of the dark factory. So the reason it's dark is it's unmanned. That's an area where you won't have personnel walking around that will be picking up on strange nuances in machines and maybe picking up the early stages of faults. So in that area, you need something that's able to monitor those high numbers of assets and fundamentally do it remotely and then bring in humans to the decision-making process at the appropriate time. With the current global situation, my feeling is that those strategies and thought processes about remote work and not having so many people in and around factory environments will probably be accelerated. And people will be looking for ways to mitigate against a future scenario like we're in now. These will be in business contingency plans. So we will end up with the ability to remotely access the data from machines, but that will require some level of monitoring to make sure you get the right attention to the right machine.
Absolutely. I definitely see the role of remote condition monitoring accelerated in this post-COVID-19 world because, like we mentioned, businesses are going to have to start doing more with less. And, obviously the level of personnel inside of a factory is going to be limited because of fear of spread of COVID. And the more that we can monitor equipment from the seats of our homes, the better we're going to be to protect all of our workers that are working inside of a factory.